Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru's Biology. Today we are going to learn about reproduction in lower and higher plants. Before learning reproduction in lower and higher plants, we should know the process that is the reproduction. So let's go start with the definition of the reproduction. See, reproduction is the production of the young one like parents. This is the simple definition for the reproduction. आता आपल्याला रिप्रोडक्शनची डेफिनेशन माहिती झालेली आहे. तर हे रिप्रोडक्शनचं महत्त्व काय आहे, व्हाय दिस इज इम्पॉर्टंट, हे आपण पाहणार आहोत. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर कंटिन्युएशन ऑफ स्पीसीज as well as to maintain the continuity of life on the earth planet. So it is necessary. Reproduction generally divided into the two categories, like remaining part of sexual reproduction and this chapter sexual reproduction we will see in the next lecture, that is in the next video. Please like and subscribe.